Startup completed. Wi-Fi connecting.
Hi guys, my name is Esli and welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the notification bell. Mostly my contents are unboxing and tutorials, but I also do review some supplements for kids and for adults. By the way, I am a small business owner here in the Philippines. If you're interested in authentic supplements, kindly check my Shopee store and I will put the link on the description box. For today's vlog, I will be walking you through the steps on how you can switch to a new Wi-Fi network using the V380 app. This is just going to be like the first time you've set up the app on your phone. We can prepare by first making sure that we are connected to the internet. If you haven't downloaded the V380 app yet, you can do so by getting it from Google Play Store. Let's start by opening your app. If you have not registered to V380 app yet, please watch my previous V380 video. I included the video link in the description if you'd like to see it. After registration, you should now be able to log into the app. You just have to type in your username and password, then click the login button to proceed. Under all devices, decide what camera you are going to use and then press the keyboard menu or the three dots on the top right. Three options will appear. These are settings, share and delete options. Let's tap the settings option to change the Wi-Fi network. After opening the settings window, click on the network option. And then go to the Wi-Fi station mode, press the drop-down menu. All the Wi-Fi networks that are nearest to you will appear. After that, select the Wi-Fi network where you'd like to connect your device. Then click Save. This will now restart the camera and pair your devices together.
Completed. Wi-Fi connecting. Wi-Fi connected.
The V380 device you have is now connected to your new Wi-Fi network. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a good one.